This brand new platform will make you $7 per day when you listen to a single song. If you listen to 20 songs every single day, you will be paid $140. And if you listen to 30 songs per day, you will make $210 and so on. I made about $800 just by listening to some music. Now the first step is you go to Google, then write the name of the website here in the search bar. It's called Free Music Archive, and that is the logo of this platform. Let's click on that first link right here, and it's going to open this page, and now click on the blue box in the Free Music Archive category. That is because you will not work on projects. We are going to listen to some free music on that platform like these songs right here and earn money doing that. There are thousands of people making money per day from this platform. There are some secret tips that I personally use so you can make more money. But first, let's create your account here. After you click the sign up button, it will ask you to fill these simple information here, such as your name and your email and password. Then click I'm not a robot and click register, and now you will verify your email. Only type your email and password right here and hit sign in. So that's how your new account will appear to you, and here you will see your name. And if you went down here, several recent songs that this platform will be suggesting for you, and that's some recent other songs. But now I want you to focus because the songs inside these genres is what will make you money. By the way, this website is available on Play Store if you have got an Android phone, but for me, I'm going to use my laptop. Anyway, this website will be working on any device. In addition, this website works worldwide, no matter what country you're working from. By the way, if you are facing any problems on this website, just comment your problem below, and we will be happy to help you. And now that you have got an idea about this website, here is the first tip. So go to the top of the page and hit here where it says genres. Don't look at any of these. Just click the first one, and as we are seeing, we have several genres here such as international, historic, country, pop songs, rock song, and so on. Now just focus with me. I will teach you exactly how you can actually earn money by yourself, because I watched videos on YouTube showing how to make money online with such a similar website to this one, but sometimes it ends up not working, and that is because they don't explain the right strategies like the ones I will be teaching you today. So back here to the website now, let's exclude all these genres and see the most successful one, and that makes the most earnings is that one, the pop genre. However, you can give them all a try by yourself if you like, but in this video, this is the one we will stick to, so click it. But before we continue, let's check this out. I will Google search what is the #1 music genre, and as we are seeing, it says pop is the most popular music genre worldwide. Let's go back. For what we're going to do is listening to some of these songs and then downloading them. If you are thinking, is it complicated? So don't worry, because it's very simple that even beginners that never tried making money online can do this. Only by downloading and listening to songs since you're driving your car, and when you work out and whenever you want, you will be earning money. I will show right now how you are going to make money. Only by listening and downloading these songs right here. But before, I want you to download nice songs from here. As we see now, there's thousands of songs right here, but of course we are not going to listen and download them. All we are going to do is only listen and download the best songs, and that's another tip. Now scroll up a bit and click on where it says date added and pick that other option where it says most interesting. This will show us the best songs on the platform. Now let's give a try for the first song here, and to listen to it, just press this button right here, and it will play the song. Now after you finished listening to the song, and if it's a good song, download it from here. Only click on this orange box where it says I under, and agree. As it shows, it starts downloading on my laptop. But let us say, for example, this song was not nice and you didn't like it well. Then easily try listening to another one and keep doing the same thing until you get to a song you like. It's really important to pick a song you like and then download it. You don't want only to choose a song randomly. As for myself, I enjoyed listening to this song, so I downloaded to my laptop to show you how you can make money with it, so that you can even do the same thing. And now, as we are familiar with this platform, and we know from where to find and download some amazing songs and such stuff like that, keep watching the video till the end, because there are 2 more websites you need to know about earning money. The coming step now is how you are actually going to be paid, so focus on what I'm going to be doing here. You can finally do this perfectly now. In the Google search bar, type file-upload.com, which is the website we will be using for the coming step. I made about $800 using this website, so now let me go back to the homepage to tell you how this website actually works. Basically, this website will pay you when you upload a file to it. You can even download images, videos, songs, and so many other things, and you get money for that. And differently, what I will upload here is the songs I already have here, and my song that I have already downloaded from the previous website. Since you upload a song on the site, they will give you a link that includes your song. All you have to do next is sharing the link to your friends, so they can listen and download the song from your link. So when they do that, you will make $7. I will show you exactly how I do it and show you few secret tips. You shouldn't have a lot of followers on social media or anything like that. As you are seeing here, if people download the song using your link from these countries like the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, you will be paid $7, and if the people are from Saudi Arabia and UAE, you will get paid $3, and you will also earn $3 from all countries. But don't think about it, because I will show you how to only get the $7 downloads so you can make more money. But first, do not forget to hit the subscribe button to be updated about making money online by Money Flow with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be updated whenever I drop a new video. And as you can see here, there are only 3 steps on this website. You make an account, you upload your files, which in our case is songs, then you start generating money. This website is completely free, and if you went up here and hit proof of payments, you will see for yourself how much money people earns per day. And as you can see here, they have already over 600,000 people on this platform, and total pay is over $700,000, which is really close to $1 million. Now I will teach you how to create your own account first. It's very simple. Just click sign up and provide them with this information. Type your username, email, your password again, and click here to choose one of these payment methods. This is how they will pay you. They can pay you in PayPal, Perfect Money, Web Money, Bitcoin, and so on. If you don't have any of these, then what I recommend is PayPal. Go ahead and create a PayPal account first. It's very simple. Then come back here and type your PayPal email. You can leave this box empty. It's optional. Then click I'm not a robot and click submit. Then verify your email and come back here to login. Now just hit where it says my account. And also there's a second way to get money on this website, which is short link right here, but we will not use it today. So now press on upload files so I can show you how to upload songs right here and earn money from it. So as for myself, I previously have this song here downloaded from the other website, so make sure you get yours ready as well. Now there is several options here when it comes to uploading, but we will ignore all these. That is the one that we will use, so make sure you select this one and hit this orange box, and then pick the song you want to upload, in my case that one, and once you do that, click start upload and it will start uploading. It will also depend on the size of the song. If the song size is small, the uploading is much faster. Now it's finished, and here is the link. So all you should do now is copy this link and send it to share it with people so they can download the song from it. And after they do that, you will earn money, but don't think that you will make a lot of money with only one song. You have to repeat this method with more songs now. The final step in this video is how to get traffic and people to download your song. Well, it's pretty easy. Simply go to Facebook and search for Facebook groups that are related to music and songs. For example, I will type here Justin Bieber songs, and here are some music-related groups where you can share your links and earn money. Turn on the post notification to be updated on how to make money online with the easiest and simplest ways. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you are interested about making money online, and with the simplest and easiest ways, such as downloading and listening to music and getting paid. So go and watch the video that should appear on the screen shortly. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.